Failure. It's a word that makes most of us uncomfortable, a word we're taught to avoid. But what if failure isn't the end? What if failure is actually the beginning? The truth is, failure isn't something to be feared, it's something to be embraced. Every great success story is built on a foundation of failures. Every breakthrough is born from setbacks. The difference between those who grow and those who give up, the ability to fail better. Think about it. Edison failed over 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb. Michael Jordan was cut from his high school basketball team. Oprah was once told she wasn't fit for television. They didn't let failure define them. They let failure refine them. So how do you fail better? First, reframe failure. It's not a stop sign, it's a signpost. It's guiding you, teaching you, showing you what doesn't work so you can discover what does. Second, analyze and adapt. Instead of asking, why did I fail? Ask, what can I learn? Every setback holds a lesson. Look for it, use it. Third, detach failure from your identity. Failing at something doesn't mean you are a failure. It means you're trying, you're growing, you're pushing limits. And that is progress. The most successful people in the world don't avoid failure. They expect it, they use it, they get better because of it. So don't fear failure, fail better. Because every mistake, every misstep, every moment of doubt is just another step forward. Keep failing, keep learning, keep growing. Your success is on the other side.